Unlike other products that are cheaply made, untested, and have little to no benefits, our product has unmatched quality containing a potent 1,300 milligrams of turmeric. We've also added bioperine, which is a patented ingredient for better absorption. So you know you're getting the full benefit from all 1,300 milligrams of this product. Now I know you probably heard a little bit about turmeric, but if you're not taking this daily, I urge you to start doing so now. Turmeric is an amazing natural inflammation killer. As an ex-collegiate athlete, I've made it a habit to take turmeric every single day. I've put countless hours of stress on my body, so inflammation is definitely an issue for me. As you know, inflammation can be devastating, even crippling, but our product may solve that for you. If you are someone who is suffering from the effects of inflammation, this stuff may really get you feeling better. But don't just take my word for it, we have real people giving real testimonials. When you visit our special offer page, you're gonna see tons of stories from folks just like you that are getting great results from our turmeric. This is no joke. Robert from Montana wrote us and said, "Hi, since we started taking 7 nutrition vitamins, turmeric curcumin, my wife and I, Betty, 89, and I, 91, feel so much better. Betty is cooking again, I passed my driver's test, no problems. I'm now mowing the lawn and working in the shop. Thank you." Those are some pretty powerful comments, aren't they? Now, I can't guarantee that it's gonna work for you, but I can guarantee that it's worked for thousands of our customers just like Robert. So here's the deal. On this page only, I'm gonna offer you a super saver discount lower than we've ever done before. I'm also gonna throw in free shipping if you order right now. But I've only put aside a small inventory for this particular discount. If we sold all our bottles at this price, we would literally go out of business. So once all the inventory is gone, we have to go back to full price. Oh, and don't let me forget, all our products are backed by our 60-day money-back guarantee. What that means is, if you don't like the product, simply send it back and we'll give you a full refund, no questions asked. So, with all that being said, I highly suggest you don't waste any time. Click the link below and grab yours right now.